fishing. Where we going, Pa?
Blue Ridge.
Blue Ridge? Nice.
Yes. Blue Reservoir is up here in Applejack. Yeah, we're taking the air out of these tires for sure. The fillings are falling out. That's what I'm gonna do.
More of a pinkish gold, some like a rose gold.
Oh, he's a chubby. He's a fucking pricey little fucker.
Little rainbow.
There you go.
Oh, that was perfect. Right on the lip, dude. Sweet. First one of the day.
Let it go out. Go out a little bit. That's a pretty good size. Wow, man.
Here. Oh, here.
Is it on?
Yeah, it's on. You got those pliers?
Yeah. Fight him. Let me see him. That's a pretty good size one. Here you go. Wow, that's a nice size fish. Let me see. Hang on. Leave it in there.
It's had a lot of fight in it still, dude.
Let me see him. Pick him up. Pick him up. Nice. That is a nice trout for there. Great. Grab him. Go ahead and hold him.
Oh, yeah. That was perfect, dude.
Nice.
I told you that little jigging method would work. Look at that. On this little guy.
Yeah, that's a nice one. Put that little.
I was kind of scared to grab him because the lure was only barely on his lip. Barely on his lip.
Really?
Because if he flipped his head the wrong way, he would have got my finger, dude. That was awesome. Freaking first fish in like what? How long? A month? Damn.
Yeah.
We're staying here. This is our spot.
No, we're not.
This is we're going here for all day.
Here you go.
So what I did, I just had this little like rose gold Kastmaster with a little fireball on it.
Put some fireballs on the end of the Kastmaster.
Yeah, just...
Let me see. Don't let up on him, or he'll get away. Oh, nice. Grab it. Pull that out. Grab the hook. There you go. Nice.
The signs are hanging way up there. It's at least like what, 30 feet down? See? Put it underwater. Alright, so I narrowed it down. It's because of the little fireballs. That's why they're hitting it. I was using my Kastmaster here. Oh, little gold guy with some black and red and yellow dots on it. And they weren't biting at all. I kept the same exact lure, put a little fireball at the end, and I mean, the first cast they got it. Nailed it. So what I've been doing is every time I put it on, I'll poke little holes in it to get some of that scent out.
I'll let the juice come out. There you
Yeah.
go.
And then after I poke a couple holes in it, I'll put it all the way through until the barb comes out on the other side so it don't fall out. So what they're going after is really the bait, and then this thing's giving it the action. So that's the kind of action you get. There's rock. That's a nice rock. Man, well, we better get back. Time of my life.
Did you?
Yeah, I caught a fish. Finally.
You got 3. What are you talking about?
Yeah, that's true. One really big one somewhat big one, and then a little tiny boy.
I think the 2 were pretty much the same size.
The second one that I got was definitely a little bit smaller, I can tell.
They're about 1.5 pounds, maybe. Now one might have been 2 pounds.
You think so?
Yeah, 2-pound rainbow.
I know without a doubt that's the biggest fish I've ever caught.
Other thing.
What?
Look at how far it's down there. I don't know if you can even see that down there.
Put it down a little bit.
Oh, there it is.